Good morning. Uh, in this video session, I would like to explain the last part of the theory of machines, that is unit number 5, and the topic is gears and gate trains. Now, gears and gate trains are uh, the mechanical uh, devices or mechanical components which will be used to change the velocity of moving vehicle or any other moving entity. So normally in automobiles, you'll say first gear, second gear, third gear, like that. So the depending upon the gear, for a given input of the engine input, rotation of the crank, the scooter or the moped or the vehicle automobile will be moving different speeds. So that is about gears and gear trains. So a gears will be having number of teeth. These two teeth will be engaged, and these two discs will be having motion by gear tooth. By gear tooth, will be motion. So gears. So this unit you have to cover within 8 to 12 classes, and you can take 6 classes for gears and 6 classes for gear trains. And we can reduce, if it is in-class session, depending upon the availability, we can complete 4 to 6 classes and 4 to 6 classes. Now, gears are of different types, and these gears are having different profiles of teeth. Profile of teeth. And this profile of teeth will be generated by law of gearing. So normally in the syllabus, we have to discuss about involute gears, and the other gear is cycloidal gear. Now, one shaft is rotating. This gear tooth pushing the other tooth of the other gear shaft, and because of that there will be motion. Because of it, there will be some motion will be there. And from the starting of point of contact of the driving tooth, the driven tooth, to the end of point of contact, you have to determine length of path of contact. Length of path of contact and the arc of path of contact. How much angle the driven and driving will take place for the path of contact. Path of contact. And minimum, there will be one of the problems is interference. That means because if there is interference, the transmission of motion will not be taken properly. There will be chatter and vibration. So to avoid interference, what are the minimum number of gear teeth, gear tooth teeth in pinion and gear? And pinion will be smaller dimension, gear will be larger dimension. So pinion will be having gear revolutions, higher angular velocity, and gear will be somewhat lower angular velocity. Okay, and this is all we have to discuss, and we have to solve several problems, determine the point of contact, length of point of contact, and minimum number of gauges. So it will take roughly for explaining law of gearing and all concepts. So it will take some 4 to 6 classes for these things, and you can go for one tutorial class tutorial class for discussing the problems of the gear, and uh, so and we can have objective questions. You can find out objective questions of say nearly say 30 to 40 objective questions. You can select and you can take one session in class where we will be discussing only objective questions, and students will be answering the objective questions and explaining the concepts and discussing the things. So this is first part of the unit number 5, that is gears. The second part is gear trains. Now, to attain different types of speeds for the automobile, the gears need to be shifted. The contact gear should be shifted. So you have simple, for this you have gear trains. Gear trains. So simple gear train, compound gear train, sun and planet gear train, epicyclic gear train, epicyclic gear train, hypocyclic gear train. So there are different types of problems. So you'll be giving the a figure will be given to you where you will be identifying different number of gears, and you have to determine for a given input of the angular rotation, angular velocity, what will be the output gear velocity, and these are the, so here how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 type of gear trains are there. So you can take nearly 4 classes for discussing the problems of each and every type of gear train, and you can derive the formulas, and then you can conduct one tutorial class for the students, 15 minutes tutorial class for students to solve the problems of these gear trains, and one class you can conduct a test. Test will be conducted of 20 marks. So you'll be giving 2 problems, one problem from gears and one problem from gear trains, and students you can do some choice also. So students will understand different types of problems that will be there in the writing the test. And this is how you can manage unit 5 by conducting test, and one class objective questions. So you'll be explaining 30 to 40 objective questions will be there. So for gears and gear trains, you can find out the objectives and you can solve the problems. So this is how you can explain unit number 5 to the students. Thank you for watching the video.